Let's go for it. We'll just do a little bit of test, warm myself up, ready to go. Oh, wait. look at that.
Can I just undo my buttons and do that? It's easier. If you'd like to find out, why are we doing this? Do I open it? If you'd like to find out, why have we done that? If you'd like to get hands-on with any of why is my voice going croaky? I can't do this. Or learn in any greater detail about the GrabCAD Print Pro and its features, please get in touch with us at SYS. I was so close to the end, so close to the end.
Got the giggles now. Okay. I got them to invite him around the corner. Come here, mate, you're going to come around there? It's like that, you just thought, peeping around the corner. Oh, hello. Sorry, mate. So, no, worries, mate.
Are you doing it like below and then we'll go, ooh, or are you just doing it? Hi guys, it's Max from... Hi guys. If you want to bring along your parts, then please, I don't know, it's not bring along your parts, so I don't know why I'm saying that. You can't bring your camshaft along to the show, can you? In your rucksack. Hey, mate, do you want to just measure this? I mean, you can if you want, but...
Here we've got our Power Shrink 450. Not 450, it said 400, so why did I say 450? Start again. If you're working to quickly check set heat shrink machine, tools, our Cool by Light sleeves for recognition of hot and cold our shrink Cool by Light. What are you laughing at? Come and do this. This has got our automatic cool. Fuck off, man.
Connect up. Any CMM bitches.
Hi, it's day 2 at Mac. Totally gone blank, mate. Showcasing the Vita Vision and the Metrios. Come and visit the stand.
Should I introduce myself or just...
Oh, top data, yeah, fucking beating.
Oh, hey guys. I'm just here presetting some tools. Do you want to come and join me?
We'll also be showing the forgotten what we're showing. Both high accuracy, high-end measuring machines, incredibly capable. No, f***ing hell. We'll also be showing another brand new machine, the Fusion 400. Very high fit. Stop saying high when you mean large, you f***ing tool.
Go back again, Andy.
Yeah.
Cleaner's not doing his job.
Hi, it's Jamie from SYS. Just to let you know that we've only got 2 weeks until the Mac show. Please come and see.
The H350 is the perfect production tool to allow you to get a tune out of your production.
And making sure you format statistically okay study. I can't have that guy. Statistically okay study.
Hi guys, it's Rob here from SYS Systems. Excited to let you know. Hi guys, it's Rob. Well, I'm shouting because I'm thinking of that. I don't need to shout, do I? Excited to let you know about our up and coming Origin 2 Roadshow happening on the 12th of November. Do I do that? I know everybody does that, don't they? Origin 2 Roadshow. This is happening on November the 12th. Right here at our facility. F*** off. This is happening at our facility in Derby. It's happening on the 12th of November. See you later. This machine is designed for low volume production.
The marketing team at Carfulan have been really busy lately and been updating our... As you can see here, we've got a range of brochures which is called the Ultimate Range, and also you f***ing not also. Tool presetting and tool inspection, tool presetting, tool inspection, tool management brochure. And also our engineering and 3D talking shit. I've got myself in a right pickle with it now. It's like rubbing your belly and rubbing your head. The marketing team here at Carfulan... I'm f***ing gone. I've gone. Giving you so much content.